Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to access and set up the Gemini AI for free. Let's get started. First, you need to go to the official Gemini AI website to access the platform. You can search it in Google or visit the direct link to start. Then here, click the Sign Up and Get Started button. You'll need to provide a details like your name, email, and password. Some platforms may offer a sign up via Google or other accounts for convenience. Then here, when setting up your account, you can select the free plan option. Many platforms like Gemini offer a limited free access to their features, so pick this to start exploring their capabilities without any cost. Then once signed up, you can begin using the Gemini AI basic features. You're likely to get access for content creation, image generation, or search tools. And now you're all set to start experimenting with Gemini AI. Use it to generate text, create images, and make smarter searches. And follow these steps and get started with Gemini AI today without spending a dime. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.